I had pretty boring makeup looks in the past, so I would know. Look how pretty that is. We don't have much money for surgery. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe if you want my channel to be a safe space. So yeah, contribute to create this little safe space here. Anyways, let's get down to business for what you came here. Easy ways to spice up your makeup look. I had pretty boring makeup looks in the past, so I would know. So here's how I took my normal go-to makeup look and turned it up a notch, and I'm going to show you how, and it's super easy, so don't worry, I'm going to guide you through it. I got you. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So I've zoomed you all in because we're going to do eyes first, but this is a blank canvas. I've just put foundation, concealer, powder, a little bit of contour, and my brows. So yeah, for eyes I'm using the Foil Frenzy palette, my go-to, and I'm using this hot pink shade for a pop of highlight in the inner tear duct. We all seen Kylie do this, so we're gonna be copying her. So for that I'm using a flat top brush so I get like definition. Make sure it's clean. I use my hand to do this back and forth motion to clean it because I forgot my makeup cleaning thingy. So yeah, and I'm just spritzing it with a little bit of setting spray so the shimmers really pop. You could do like it matte, but I'm trying the shiny thing for a change because I've never done shiny. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that, applying it on the brush and putting it on the inner tear duct, like outlining it and then filling it in. Very subtle, but makes that like slight difference that you just need. These are all about subtle changes that can like really take your makeup look to the next level, which is what is the goal of this video. So I feel like a shimmer is more approachable than a matte neon pink. So you can start here and then experiment with more bold colors. Feel free to directly start with bold colors. This is like a skeleton and you can take it from there. Not me losing my train of thought. And just like take your pinky finger to soften it a bit. Look how pretty that is. But that is it for that. Then we're gonna go straight to liner. For liner I'm using my favorite liner, which is the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. First I'm going to do a basic liner and I'm going to extend my inner tear duct. You have to extend your inner tear duct. It's trendy, but also if you're going for a cute look, then don't do that because it's very sultry and like really sharp and slick, really bold. So how I do my liner is connect my outer part to the end of my eyebrow. I think of an imaginary curve like this. I don't like it too curvy, I like it a bit straight. And I'm not making a thick wing, I'm doing a thin wing. Take your time with the inner corner, don't rush it, like very carefully, slowly. It's really sultry, look at the difference. Look at the difference. See what I'm saying now? And for my hooded besties, for my hooded eye besties, look straight in the mirror and then do your liner so that you don't like do it on the fold, so it looks straight and you're resting your face like this. So yeah, I'm going to do this one off camera because I'm a bit bad at this, and I'll be back. Okay, eyeliner is done. I'm feeling it, it's so cute. Anyways, let's go on to the next step, which is the double wing. So what we want to do is you want to look straight. So you take the liner, the end of the liner, you draw a line from the end of the liner back to the crease, like the arch of the eyebrow, like you stop it till there, so like there. And yeah, not too thick. I mean, depends on your mood, like you can make it dramatic or not, but I'm going for soft today. I guess we'll see what mode the liner is in. Try not going directly till the end as it become too thick. Try going like slightly under the tip. Like that. See, when I'm resting my face, you can see it. Definitely not my best double liner, but it's like a soft one, so I like it. It's not perfectly symmetrical, but that's the beauty of makeup, am I right? It's okay if it's not symmetrical, your faces aren't symmetrical, so that's my excuse of messing up. I'm gonna do mascara and be right back. Now it's time for the rest of the face. So we're gonna do blush, and you're like, how is that gonna change your face? So I'm using my favorite blush. This is the Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded in Pop My Cherry. Loading it up on a brush, and you want to place it on the highest points of your cheeks, and that's where it should be the maximum pigment, and then gently fade it into like the apples of your face. It's gonna give that lifted look because we don't have much money for surgery. So impact it here, gently brush it here. Make sure it's a loose-ish brush because then it'll do the blending for you. Then what you want to do is take your brush and gently put it on the bridge of your nose. Make sure your brush is not loaded with blush. Just gently, just on my chin, just on the apples. Then what you want to do is take your highlighter and highlight the tip of your nose first, and then the bridge. And this is going to give the naturally lifted look. You want to take the highlighter on a loose brush. I love this brush for highlighter. Gently on here, on the highest points of your cheek, and just put the C formation. I like some on my chin too. It's so fun to apply. Now, last but not the least, lips. For lips, also for eyeliner, you could do like bottom lashes, and also a double liner with like you outline this with another color. That would be nice, but this is basics. I didn't want to throw that all into your face, you know, and that is very difficult to do for me on camera, so that partly plays a role. I'm going to show you how I overline my lips. So first I am using my Wet n Wild Chestnut go-to. First I draw an X here on the cupid's bow, slightly above my natural line. Then I'll overline this portion of my lip slightly, and I'll meet it to my natural lip line at the corner of my mouth. It's ever so slight, but makes a world of a difference. I put some contour here, and then I'll outline this slightly under. I use the same method. This part will be the biggest, and this will meet the natural corners of my mouth. Correct any mistakes. And for lipstick, I'm using my favorite lipstick, which is the Sephora liquid lip stain in the shade 08. I don't want to cover the lip liner, so I just put it in the center, and then I blot. While this is drying, I'll just set my face. After that's dry, the last step is gloss. I'm obsessed with gloss. I'm just putting in the center. To make my lips look juicy in the center. And yeah, that's about it. So let's recap. We did the pink shimmery eye inner corner pop, then we did the double liner, we extended the inner corners, we did a high lifted blush and highlighter combo, we did the blush, nose contour and highlighter, we did the overlining properly to make it look natural, you know, and we did gloss. So yeah, this is the final result. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you want like other versions of this video. I would love to do that. I love doing makeup forward videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. Bye. See you in the next one.